Welcome back to Ozarks Fox AM. This week is Severe Weather Awareness Week, and in honor of that, we're playing a very special edition of one of our favorite games. Today we're playing Are You Smarter Than Elisa Raffa? Ooh. The Severe Weather Edition. Now, I wish I would have planned ahead. I would have had Jeff Cottner, our amazing sound guy, give me some thunder and lightning as I said that. It would have been like, Severe Weather Edition. Okay, at the end, Jeff, I'm going to do that. Okay. So, let's start playing the Severe Weather Edition of Are You Smarter Than Elisa Raffa? Right. There we go.
There it is.
Home. This is not George.
George shrunk a little bit. I'm a little bit shorter than George, but it's all right.
It's okay. We're here with the wonderfully talented Elisa Raffa. Today we're playing Are You Smarter Than Elisa?
Weather Edition, because it's Severe Weather Awareness Week, people.
Boom. How are you doing today, Elisa?
Great. Super excited to geek out. I love some weather.
We are all about geeking out here. You're more weather than me, but I'm going to try.
Okay.
Okay, so Weather Theme Edition, like she said. Question 1. Named after the Latin word for layers, which low-lying cloud is sometimes called high-altitude fog and tends to be seen on dreary, gray days? A. Cirrus, B. Cumulus, C. Nimbus, or D. Stratus?
I think I'm going to go, okay, I'll go with Nimbus then. I was going to go with Stratus, but you take D, I'll take C.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to go C.
I'll go with D.
It is D, Stratus.
D. Stratus is correct.
All right,
And
we got
Elisa
one.
is
We're
1 for
smarter
1.
than Elisa so far.
Jeremy and Kelly?
Yeah, how'd you guys do?
No, we're not smarter than
That
her,
was my
but we both got
was
it.
my first guess, Elisa.
I think Elisa brings an air of like joy and competitive spirit to this game that sometimes we're lacking with George.
Yes.
Why am I taking shots? Because it's fun. Okay, 1 for 1. Very good.
Okay.
Question 2. According to the World Meteorological Organization, mouthful,
It is.
the world's hottest temperature was first recorded in 1913 at which location?
Literally day 1 in my intro meteorology class, we tackled this question. So, if I get it wrong, Professor Wysocki is going to be uber disappointed. So,
As will all of our viewers.
hit me with the multiple choice.
Okay. A. Furnace Creek, California, obviously in the U.S. B. Uadnadata, South Australia. Speaking of hard to say. C. Falodi, India. Or D. Samara in the Western Sahara.
Where was the world's hottest temperature?
I'm going to go with D. What do you think, Jer?
I'm going to go with good old America.
Okay.
I'm going with A just because I love America.
Okay.
And I believe we started meteorological timetables.
Okay.
Okay.
I really think that is A.
Oh.
Your professor is going to be so proud of you, Elisa.
Good job. All right, we're 2 for 2.
USA! USA!
Ready to go.
All right. Now, number 3, on the other end, other than Antarctica, which is cold,
It's very cold.
the world's lowest temperature was first recorded in 1892 at which location? A. Poca, Finland. B. Sarmiento, Argentina. C. Snag in the Yukon Territory in Canada. Or D. Verkhoyansk, Russia.
Wow. Okay. Argentina.
I've been to Finland and it's very cold.
Yeah. I don't know. I want to say B, but I don't know.
I don't know why I'm going to go with Russia. I'm just
Okay.
going to go with Russia.
And I'll go B.
Okay.
Nice job with this pronunciation, by the way.
Maybe.
All of these are random places in the world. I really want to say that I think it's that tippy top of Canada, so C.
C is a fantastic guess. Unfortunately, Elisa, I'm sorry, it is not the correct guess.
Then it was D, right? It was Russia.
It was absolutely D.
Oh, yay! Good job.
America, awesome. Russia, cold.
Well, Jeremy and Kelly can have that one.
Oh, well, we did. 3
She's
to
very
2.
kind.
Love it.
Number 4, in a severe weather situation, this is a mouthful, so bear with me. Which radar image phenomenon is caused by a downdraft at the rear of a storm, is the result of precipitation wrapping around the backside of the updraft, is associated with a mesocyclone, and indicates favorable conditions for tornado formation. Makes
What
sense?
the
This is my
what?
bread and butter right here, so give me the multiple choice.
All right, good luck. A cone tornado. B, a gravity well. C, a hook echo. Or D, a wall cloud.
I think.
Which radar image indicates favorable tornado conditions? I don't know.
I think it's wall cloud. What do you think?
I was going to say wall cloud, but I'll guess something different then.
Okay, so
I
we'll
was
have
gonna go with
more
D.
of a chance.
A gravity well, because that sounds fun.
What?
A gravity well.
Okay,
That
all right.
seems fun. Okay.
I'll go D.
B and
It
D.
is a hook echo, 100%.
Our severe weather expert is absolutely correct.
Oh, now we're tied.
What is a hook echo?
We literally look for it every time we're doing severe weather coverage, right, Jamie, Beth, and I. And it literally looks like a comma. It looks like a hook. That's where you start to see some rotation in the thunderstorm. When you're looking at, we call it velocity, the reds and the greens, right? When we show you that, those are winds coming towards the radar or winds coming away from the radar, and you start to see that spin. When you're looking at the hook echo on what we call reflectivity, it's where you see the oranges and the reds from the heavy rain,
Yeah.
right? It literally looks like a comma, and usually that tornado is tucked right in that. So you hear us say it a lot when we're doing severe weather coverage, like right in that hook, and that's where the problem spot is for tornadoes. So super cool and super timely because it is severe weather awareness week, people.
Listen to
And
Lisa.
now you know.
Well,
And
we
now
learned
have
something
3.
here.
And now it's time for the challenge question.
There's our challenge question.
Yes.
Uh-oh.
The previous questions were worth 1 each. Of course, we have 3. You can now double that if you get this right,
Double or nothing.
because this question alone is worth 3. At about 12,000 feet above sea level, La Paz, Bolivia is the world's highest capital. According to the New York Times and Chicago Tribune, it only has 1 fire department to support a populace of roughly 800,000 people.
Wow.
What feature of its climate/geography makes this possible?
This is interesting.
I think so too. Thanks, Elisa.
Keep rolling.
This is going swimmingly. A, heavy rainfall. B, heavy snowfall. C, low winds. Or D, thin air.
I want to
Oh.
say C.
I was going to say thin air.
Okay, well, let's do that.
But Denver, the Mile High City, I'm sure they have fires, but it's not as high as that. I think the obvious choice is rainfall, because that would put out the fires.
I'm going to go C.
I'm going to go with thin air. I don't know why. We'll just see.
At that elevation, it's got to be thin air.
Elisa Raffa is a weather monster.
Oh,
So is Jeremy Ray, right
Possible
there.
7.
And how many do Jeremy and Kelly have down there?
I don't know. I think they're probably saying it right now out loud live.
Well, I think,
I think-
we're tied.
No.
So,
Yes,
Wait,
I do.
we are
you,
tied?
don't think they're gonna
Jake,
beat you
did you
today.
keep a score?
I'm pretty confident with my weather knowledge.
Wait, I didn't get. Elisa, get in here.
I'm pretty sure we're tied.
Elisa's here. We just saw you on the screen. I thought you got
Hey.
1 more right than we did, but maybe I'm wrong.
But there
we'll
was
go back
one
and
we
count.
got. I know. I think there was one we got that you didn't get.
I don't remember. I wasn't keeping score, but that was really
That was
fascinating.
so fascinating.
The questions that Jake picked were great because I think they covered a wide range of topics and were very interesting.
And you didn't know what they were going to be.
No, I full disclosure, I had no idea what the questions were going to be, so I was just as surprised as you guys.
Quick question then. I guessed thin air just because I thought, okay, Colorado's high. Thin air might have something to do with it. Why would thin air have to do with 1 fire department for that many people? You just don't get as much rain up there?
No, I think it has to do more with so it's at that elevation. The mountains are so high up, so that's where the air would be thinner. That's what I was thinking. There's not enough oxygen in the air because the air is thinner.
Oh, so you need the oxygen to burn. Thank you, Jake, our wonderful producer, is talking in our ears.
We are learning so much from you. I love this.
That's the goal every day, is just to teach everyone something new. So.
And you know I'm going to pay attention to you now every time you say the hook.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
that's
Because I've
exactly
actually heard you
it.
say that, but
Right.
it didn't register until you said
exactly
it. And I'm
what
like,
it
oh, I
is.
should have guessed hook because I've heard you say hook.
That is exactly what it is. Yeah, when we're doing wall to wall, that's exactly what we're looking for. So those hooks.
Looking for
Those
the hook.
hooks. And you say that on air, yes, the hook here or there has a potential for the hook, right?
Yeah, that's where we'll start to see that rotation and the tornado possibly coming out of that thunderstorm. It kind of gets tucked in there.
Yeah.
So that's the radar signature is what we call it. So that's what we look for.
So now we know what we're looking for.
Yes,
This is
we do.
fantastic. We should
Yes.
do this again.
I would love to. You guys
Although
are so
we're going to
fun.
flip the script and make you answer questions about Hollywood movies.
So this is exactly what I told Jake. This is exactly what I told Jake because he had asked me, who do you think is going to win, like you or Jeremy and Kelly, and I was like, all right, on weather topics, I got that. However, on music and movies and TV, you guys got me beat. So. You know?
Multiple choice is, you've got a little bit of a guessing going in there too, so that
Elisa,
helps.
we did better on this just because sheer luck of guessing. Like, we didn't know anything. We
No,
guessed.
we did.
Okay.
No, it's because I'm a good teacher.
You are a very good teacher.
That's
yes.
why, Jer.
Oh, thanks, Elisa.
Thank you, Elisa.
We have 2 more days of this, which is fun.